there, YouTube. This is Terrence with the Official Racing Dynamics YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace your hood scoop on the 2007 to 2013 Mini Cooper S. Well, first thing is to pop the hood. There is a latch right in here by the dead pedal. So it's got right here. Next is to go find the latch. It's about a little bit over right around here where the stripe comes down. You feel underneath for it and push up. As you can see, it's this guy right here. You just push up. Next up, right up here, there's going to be one torque screw. That's going to be a T25. After that, you're going to take the hook back down. Alright, next we're gonna get some sort of prying tool right here out of panel clip tool. We're gonna try and be real careful with this step to not hurt the paint, but you just simply work this guy around and you pry it out. So this is a real well-known problem with these, the engine, that with the turbo right here, it gets really, really hot in this part of the hood. You see ours is melted real bad. I've seen them crack, I've seen them melt, all kinds of stuff. That's why we got our nice, pretty Racing Dynamics one now to replace this. Maybe that'll be a whole lot better. So as you can see here, we have all the clips that we just broken out, and we have these 4 screws that need to get taken off to transfer the grill over to the new scoop. Those are just going to be a Phillips, real small one. We'll get them in. Perfect. Now that we've got our clips reinstalled and our mesh in the grill, it's the same process, just in reverse. So first, we're going to push it back on, make sure all the clips are lined up. Next, reinstall your one T25 up here. All right, and easy as that. Look at the car, it's completely transformed. It's gonna be resistant to that heat. Car, man, looks great, way better. Remember to comment, share, like, subscribe, let us know what you thought, and we'll see you in the next one.